Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Watson Expertise Finder. This is a prototype that has been created by the Watson Solutions Lab. And we found that many of our clients have had issues in finding the expert within their organization that is best fit to solve the problems or their client questions or even work on a project. So we've put cognitive to the task here. And you'll see here what we have is a simple ask interface. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, I'm looking for an attorney within our organization experienced in mergers and acquisitions in the retail industry located in London. And what I'm going to do here before searching for the actual expert is I'm going to refine this. And we can see that Watson is understanding the natural language input that we've got. It understands that mergers and acquisitions is a practice, that retail is an industry and London is a region. And based upon the query that we've entered, Watson has found the following practices and so on and so forth, and we have the opportunity to remove some of these if they're not applicable. I'm not as interested in financial institutions. I'm more interested in retail here. I'm not interested in energy mergers and acquisitions, or really insurance transactions here. But based upon the 5 strings here, I'm going to go ahead and find an expert. Now we can see a simple kind of interface here in which we've seen matched partners and matched associates here that could meet our criteria, while also having all of the different toggles and search capabilities on the left-hand side. So you can see if we go through practices and I scroll down to mergers and acquisitions, it should be selected because our natural query, our natural language processing query has pulled back that information. So we can see mergers and acquisitions applied. Same thing if I were to scroll down here, we would see retail has been selected. And I can go ahead and select whether I want partners or not. So in this case, I'm interested in both. So I'm going to select both partners and associates and counsel. But I want an even better way to be able to select who I'm looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and that's going to allow us to use the Watson API of Tradeoff Analytics. And what this does is it gives us a visual representation of all the different variables that we're interested in to be able to best select to the partner or associate that would be great for this project that I need. So we have this project coming up pretty quickly, so I want someone who's going to be available a little bit more quickly. I can lower their rate a little bit because of a project budget. I can even see okay, how many clients have they had, and very quickly we can see that Susie is a great selection here, and we can make a decision. So as you can see, Watson Expertise Finder is powerful because it allows us to use natural language input and allows Watson's cognitive capabilities to understand our input as well as to play with the analytics to make the best decision and find the best employee for our needs today. Thanks for watching.